If your drain is constantly slow or clogged, you might be wondering if Pipe Bobo Drain Cleaner can actually fix the problem. The bottle is compact, so it doesn't take up much space under the sink. It's designed to tackle grease, hair, and soap buildup in your pipes. For minor to moderate clogs, it does a reasonably good job. A couple of treatments can help clear smaller blockages, and it's compatible with different types of pipes when used correctly. However, if your drain is completely clogged or damaged, don't expect a miracle. Overusing it can even make problems worse, so it's important to follow the instructions and safety warnings carefully. Despite packaging claims calling it powerful and fast-acting, it's more of a maintenance product than a guaranteed solution for serious plumbing issues. Think of it as something to keep your drains running smoothly, not a fix for major blockages. Pipe Bobo is a legitimate product, and you can find it on Amazon with reviews and ratings. But again, it works best for small clogs and regular upkeep, rather than completely clearing stubborn or damaged drains. In short, Pipe Bobo can help maintain your pipes, but don't rely on it for major plumbing emergencies. Always use it responsibly and as directed. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.